guys, welcome to my channel. So today I wanted to do a turquoise cut crease using the Jaclyn Hill palette, Jaclyn Hill X palette. That's one of my favorite palettes, so that's why I wanted to play around with the colors, because I never really play around with colors like this. Yeah, I have fun, so I hope you guys enjoy. If you're interested in seeing how I got this look, please keep on watching. Alright guys, so the first thing I did today, I actually put tape on it. I really wanted to get a sharp kind of look. I didn't want it to go all over my eye. So the first color I'm going to grab is going to be Creamsicle. And I'm going to try to build it up. I don't want to put a lot of it all at once. And that's going to go all over my crease. My inner and outer crease, I guess. And like I said, I'm going to keep grabbing it and building it up. Alright, so the other color I'm going to grab is Pukey, which is just like 3 shades down from Creamsicle. And I'm going to place it right on top of Creamsicle. Now I'm grabbing my Morphe M518 and I'm going to grab the color Soda Pop. So I'm going to grab some of that, and I don't want to grab too much because I don't want it to become really dark really quick. So definitely tapping it off. So I'm putting that down, and like you can see, it kind of glows black. It's supposed to be, to me it looks like a little like brown, like not brown, purple, but it goes on kind of black, which is fine because I'm not gonna put too much. So the other one I'm gonna grab is gonna be Royalty, and that one is the really pretty like purple color. I'm gonna grab not too much of that one as well, and I'm gonna put it in on top of Soda Pop. And then here I kind of want to like clean my brush, that way I can kind of blend the color the way I want it to be blended. So now I'm just gonna cut my crease, and then I actually use the Fit Me Concealer, little tube thingies, and I put a little bit right there just to kind of get an idea of how high I want to go. Alright, once you're done cutting your crease, then I'm gonna go into the color that I'm the most excited about to use, and that's gonna be Poolside. Is that Pool Party, not Poolside, Pool Party. I have this really thick brush. I'm not even know what it's supposed to be. I feel like it's supposed to be like a concealer brush. It's a Morphe M333, and I'm just grabbing that color. And I'm not just using the color. I'm not even wetting my brush or anything. I'm letting it do its own thing. And then I'm going on top of it where I cut my crease. And it goes on so pigmented and so pretty. Like, I can't believe I haven't used this color. I probably have used it once, but I don't even remember. I'm going back into the both of those colors that I put in my outer on my inner corner, outer corner. You know what I'm trying to say. And Soda Pop and Royalty. So I'm gonna grab both of those colors at the same time this time, and I'm gonna do the same thing. I don't want it to go on too pigmented all at once. I kind of want to be able to put it on if I need to, like put more if I need to. So now I'm going to go into the color Beam on the same palette. Like I said, this is the only palette I'm going to use today because I really wanted to play with this palette. And I'm going to go in my inner corner of my eye, and I'm going to put that color right there. Bring it down a little, but then I want to also bring it up. Lastly, for that, for my brow bone, I'm gonna go with the first color, which is called In Light. Yeah, In Light, and I'm gonna put it in my brow bone. I'm just gonna grab my eyeliner, which I use the Maybelline New York line Stiletto Eyeliner. It's one of my top favorites. It always looks so good to me, and it's kind of easy to use because it has the felt tip liner. I'm just gonna put my lashes. I'm gonna do this really quick, pop them on, and I'm gonna come back on. Alright, for the last step for the actual eye look, I'm gonna use the color buns and I'm gonna put it under in my underline. So I'm just gonna go in. This is kind of like a pencil brush and a little more fluffier. And I'm just gonna go under it. I always hate this step because it gets me like tearing. Alright guys, so this is the finished look. I went ahead and did my whole face routine, and on my lips I just put a nude color just because I thought the colors on my eyes were already too bright. I didn't want to put a color in my lips that was bright too. To me, just would it look a bit too busy. It's just not what I like. So yeah, I hope you guys like this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you have any feedback for me, I would appreciate that as well. Thank you. Bye.